Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing. Confirm your exact Lenovo model and why you need to disable Secure Boot. Once ready, power off and press the Lenovo button or repeatedly tap F1/F2 during post to open BIOS. Make sure you have the admin password for BIOS. Without it, you cannot change Secure Boot. Also plug in any USB recovery media in case you need to restore settings. This gets you directly into the firmware interface, so you can modify security options safely. Once in BIOS, move to the Security or Boot tab and find Secure Boot Settings. Menu names vary by model. You may need to switch boot mode between UEFI and Legacy to reveal the Secure Boot toggle. Select Secure Boot and choose Disabled or Clear Secure Boot keys. Clearing keys fully disables enforcement. Make sure to save changes, but do not exit if prompted to confirm additional options. Check for a separate Save/Exit menu. These steps remove the firmware lock that blocks unsigned OSes. After disabling Secure Boot, save changes and choose Save and Exit or Restart to apply them. Boot into your intended OS or installer to confirm it starts without Secure Boot errors. If the system won't boot, go back into BIOS and either re-enable Secure Boot or reset to factory settings and retry. This often resolves key or mode mismatches. If you used clear keys, you may need to restore platform keys. Keep a recovery USB handy so you can restore firmware state quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.